gatekeeper. Friends are knocking at the door. Open the door. Why not open the door? What is so wrong with letting them come in? Why must they wait in the dark corridor? How long do you think they can be patient? How long should they stay there and pace the floor? At least, why don't you raise the window curtain? Just peek out for once to show your face. They want nothing from you except yourself. The only thing they beg for is your grace. Outside they got drunk on love, then sober. They didn't care. They're longing for your place. They dropped their veils, forgot their desires, gave up their search and stripped to nudity. Burn off the clouds now and show us the sun. Pull off the veil. Let us see your beauty. So then the wise will be struck dumb, and the fools will find their wisdom. The selfish know their true self then. The saints will all get drunk with them. No servant and no lord will be. Master and slave as one will be.